Create Samsung account. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video where I'll show you step by step how to create your Samsung account. This account can connect multiple devices under one login. It works even if your phone is lost or offline. There are many benefits to creating a Samsung account for your TV, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started, folks. First, go to Google and type Create Samsung Account in the search bar. Click on the first result that appears, account.samsung.com. On the home screen, click on Create Account at the top. Here you need to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy notice. Just click Details to read them. The first two fields, folks, are mandatory. The others are optional. Then, folks, just click here on Agree. Enter your email and below you'll create a password. Confirm your password below. Enter your name, surname, day, month, and year of birth. Then click Next. Here, folks, you need to validate your account, so they sent a confirmation email to the address you entered. Now, folks, check your email for that Samsung message. It's the confirmation email with your code. This is my code, folks. Don't copy mine. You'll need to use your own code. Enter it in the verification code field, then click Next. And that's it, folks. Your Samsung account has been created. By clicking Done, you'll enter the Samsung control panel. Now, folks, you can use your email and password on your phone, TV, or any Samsung service. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.